TV screens collect dust, fingerprints, and smudges more easily than most people expect. Over time, these marks can make the picture look dull or hazy. However, cleaning a TV screen requires a little care because using the wrong products can damage the surface. Fortunately, there is a simple and safe way to clean it using a few basic items. First, it's important to know what not to use. Avoid household cleaners such as glass cleaner or all-purpose sprays. Many of these contain alcohol or ammonia, which can slowly damage the protective coatings on a TV screen. It's also best to avoid paper towels, tissues, or toilet paper, since the fibers can create tiny scratches on the surface. Instead, start with a soft microfiber cloth. If the screen only has dust on it, gently wipe from the top of the screen downward using light pressure. This is often enough to remove most dust while also cleaning the frame around the TV. If you notice fingerprints or smudges, you can use a small amount of distilled water. Then lightly spray the water onto the microfiber cloth so it becomes slightly damp. Never spray liquid directly onto the screen. Using gentle circular motions, wipe the affected areas until the smudges disappear. Avoid pressing too hard, since excessive pressure can damage the screen. For tougher spots that don't come off with water alone, you can mix distilled water with a very small drop of dish soap. Lightly dampen the cloth with this mixture and gently clean the area. Afterward, wipe again with a cloth dampened only with water to remove any residue. Finally, use a dry section of the microfiber cloth to gently dry the screen and remove any remaining streaks. With just a microfiber cloth, a little distilled water, and a careful touch, you can keep your TV screen clean and clear without risking damage to the display.